It's easy to show patients a simulated outcome of their Invisalign treatment on the iTero intraoral scanner. To begin, I will open the Orders icon from the scanner home screen and choose the patient from the list. Next, I will tap on the Invisalign Outcome Simulator button. When the model appears, I will evaluate the axis lines. It's important to check that there are axis lines on all the teeth. I can adjust the axis lines as needed. When I've completed evaluating the axis lines, I will tap on the Create Simulation button. Once the simulation is ready, I can view the simulated outcome of the Invisalign treatment and share it with the patient. I will use the toolbar to change the view of the simulation. I can view each arch individually or both arches in occlusion. I will use the toolbar on the right side to adjust the model to meet the treatment goals. When I'm ready, I can share the simulation with the patient via email. This enables the patient to show their family and friends the potential outcome of their Invisalign treatment. I can also share the simulation with the treat facility to be considered in the development of the ClinCheck treatment plan for the case. The Invisalign Outcome Simulator is an effective tool for creating a wow experience for the patient and driving productive patient education discussions.